Good morning, happy Monday morning to my YouTube fans. I hope you have a wonderful week. I hope that all that you do, you'll be blessed and be healed, because, yeah. And one more thing that, something came to my mind this morning and I thought I'll share it. Um, if you're going through something, if something triggers you, if you have a trigger, if you have been through something really hard, and if you think that that thing that triggers you is just going to go away, it's not just going to go away. You have to push through it. It's going to be all around you. If, say for instance, if you were an alcoholic and alcohol triggers you, you're not going to stop seeing alcohol. I mean, everywhere you go, you're going to see it. In the supermarket, if you go to a wedding, depends on the wedding. If you go to a funeral, depends. If you go to a party, again, it depends on the party that you go to, you will see. But if you go to the supermarket, you're going to see it, but you just have to push through it. So is everything else in life. Whatever triggers you, just push on through it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And whatever you do, have a blessed day. Bye.